We're at this VW Westphalia camper here, and it is one of my lifelong dreams to have one of these. I want maybe an older one, but the Westphalias are super cool as well. And he's got a really kind of overlander, road tripping kind of feel with this one, and I absolutely love the style and the feel of this whole setup. And he's got the pop-up tent, so this is your classic Westphalia camper. Engine in the back still? Yeah. I don't think they've ever moved them from the back. Maybe in the newer vans. This is one of my top vehicle bucket lists that I'd love to have in my fleet. That's probably for later. But yeah, just checking out all these amazing setups that people have. There's everything from a yurt to a hot tent to a trailer to solo tent. Yeah, one season solo tent.
One season solo. Yeah.
So that guy's, I think he's dead. And then you've got, what else is there? People sleeping in their vehicles.
Yeah, vehicles.
Yeah.
Obviously, those guys are players.
Those guys, if you've got a Jeep and 2 Toyotas, you're doing something right.
Yeah, honestly, it's like this.
Yeah. Who cares where that money goes? So we're gonna head down and see what else is going on in this row.